POV. You had no job, but your assets kept growing. Everyone thought you were falling behind. No job, no promotion, no career ladder. Friends were getting raises. Everyone else seemed to be moving forward. At least, that's what people saw. 3 years ago, you were still in the same room, still hearing the same question. So, what are you doing now? Eventually, you stopped trying to explain. Level 1. The paychecks stopped. The work updates stopped. The professional milestones stopped. Little by little, people assumed your progress stopped too. Level 2. While everyone else tracked income, you started tracking ownership. A little Bitcoin, a small investment, a tiny asset purchase. Nothing worth showing off. Level 3. Months passed. Then another year. No breakthrough. No overnight success. Just small decisions, repeated over and over again. Level 4. One night, you checked your numbers again. The number wasn't huge, but it was higher than last year, higher than the year before. For the first time, you could see what those quiet decisions had been building. Nobody notices slow progress. Nobody notices compounding. Nobody notices discipline. People only notice results. After years of invisible work, most people track income. Very few track ownership. A job creates income. Assets create options. Progress doesn't stop just because nobody sees it. People saw no job, no future, no progress. Reality was different. A completely different chapter was being built the entire time. Same room, new chapter.